Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a little bit under construction over here right now. I am redoing my office and my workspace, so kind of bear with me. I'm here because I did my makeup. I really like it. I think it looks really cool. I like that the blue matches my hair, which really needs some help. But I did not do these yet. And so I need to do them. And with that, I'm going to use this. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. 3-second brow. I'd heard of it. I know it's been all over already, but whatever. I'm kind of new to the game right now. So I found this over at Marshall's the other day, and I figured, you know what? I might as well give it a try. I also found an Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, which was kind of a nice surprise because it was a palette that I wanted to get, but I didn't want to spend $42 on it because of, you know, the issues. So I'm going to go ahead and dig into this. I'm going to see if it really takes 3 seconds, and we'll see what happens. I have a feeling it's going to take a little bit longer. All right, let's dig in, shall we? Try not to cut myself. Okay, so we have our perfect natural looking brows in seconds, and it just kind of shows you how to do it. Press, place, perfection. We'll see if that works. Just in case, I do have my brow wiz pencil right here because I don't really have a lot of high hopes for this, but we're gonna see. I've seen some really good results. I've seen some really crappy results. So it includes 2 different shapes of eye stamps. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. It has the brow powder, and it tells you how to do it. Let's see what happens. So spoolie, a little angled brush, synthetic little angled brush. We have the 3-second brow powder, which I'm assuming it opens. I can't open it. It seems to be like my life. I can't open things. And that looks pretty close to being my color. It looks like a pretty neutral color, kind of dark, which is fine. I think I can do that. Okay. Wish me luck. I'm going to use the Archie ones here. There's this one and there's this one. Those look like it's going to be right for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it in. Coat the shit out of it. Now, if I screw this up, I'm gonna have to redo my eyes, and I'm not gonna be very happy about it. I'm gonna pull my hair back. I'm very scared. Okay, this little thing is completely coated. God, I'm scared. Let me spoolie my eyebrows real quick. Where's that little thingy? Shit, I can't find it. Oh, there it is. I really need to get my eyebrows done. I usually get them threaded and tinted, and it's been a while. Back to this. I can't. Okay. No. That's so wrong. Where's my... does this just come off with a brush? No, kind of. Okay, I'm just gonna clean it up with the little brush that they gave me and see if this works. Maybe I just did the wrong eyebrow first. I don't know. Oh my God. All right, I failed on that one. We're gonna go with the brow number 2. See if I'm any better with this one. I can't even see where my brows are. Okay. No. I could see this product kind of working, but I think I just wasted $6. Yeah, let's give it a fighting chance. I feel like I need to wet this brush a little bit because the powder is just, it's powdery. I don't want to use that stamper anymore though. That stamper scares me because I can't see where it's going and what it's doing and what is going on. Well, you know, at least when you fuck it up, it comes off fairly easily. But that can also be a drawback because I bet on a warm day, when I rub my brows, they're just gonna slide off. It's definitely going better on with the brush. The color is really good. These stampers are shit though. They're shit. I can see why it was on clearance at Marshall's. I have this scar right here, and that's a long story that I don't really know about because I was like 2. But nothing really covers it except for the ABH brow products, really. So, sorry 3-second brows. This is taking longer than 3 seconds to fix it. And yeah, maybe I'll give it a second chance. But one of the big things is that it just didn't cover my scar very well. I'm really glad I have bangs because my brows are not pretty right now. All right, that was a fail. Okay, I'm done. I've got things to do. I've got people to see. No, actually no people to see. I just have things to do. And so there's my 3-second brows that kind of sucked, but hey, it is what it is. I wanted to try it. I tried it. Didn't like it. It's cool. Whatever. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time. Hopefully my studio will be set up, but I doubt it. But anyways, we'll see you next time. Bye.